how to purchase Prime membership in Amazon. Hi everyone, in this following tutorial I'm going to show you how you can purchase Prime membership in Amazon. So in order to purchase Prime membership in Amazon, it's a very simple procedure. Make sure that you already have an Amazon account, and then to begin with, you do not need to use any of these applications. All you need to do is open up a browser, and then on the web address bar type in amazon.com/. If you're creating an account for the first time, then you'll get a free account. So for that, go ahead and tap on start your free 30-day trial. To this procedure, in order to get to this page, make sure that you have already logged in with your Amazon account on your browser. Only then you can begin with this procedure. Then click on start your free 30-day trial. That's going to take you to this page where you'll be provided with all of these information. Now first of all, it's going to ask you to enter in a payment method. Now it will ask you to enter in a payment method. However, the money will not be deducted for the first month. After 30 days, the amount will be deducted for the type of subscription that you've got, and then you need to enter in your billing address. So go ahead and enter in the billing address according to your ID and all sort of things, and click on use this address. As soon as you've done that, next page is going to ask you to select the plan, and you can enjoy your Amazon Prime. So in that way, you can purchase your Prime membership in Amazon. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.